Tired of ERP systems that feel like they're fighting against your business instead of helping it? Well, today, we're diving deep into Erpnext customization, so you can mold it into the perfect solution for your unique needs. First, let's personalize those forms. See how the default sales order form has a bunch of fields you don't use? Navigate to Customize Form and select Sales Order now. Simply rename, or rearrange fields with a few clicks. Tailor each module to perfectly match your processes. Next up, reports. Erpnext's reporting is powerful, but you can make it even better. Head to Report Builder and select the report you want to tweak. You can add calculated columns, filter data, and even change the entire layout to highlight the key metrics that drive your business decisions. Want to automate your processes? Let's create a custom workflow. Go to Workflow and design your desired flow using a visual interface. Define states, transitions, and actions to automate approvals, notifications, and other crucial tasks. Ready for the ultimate control. Build your own custom modules. If the standard features don't quite cut it, dive into the code and create completely new functionalities. This is where you can really make Erpnext sing your company's song. And that's it. By customizing forms, reports, workflows, and even creating custom modules, you can transform Erpnext into the ultimate tool for your business. Start customizing today and unlock the true potential of your ERP system.